Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to open the Petit Vour box. But before we do, I did want to mention I'm wearing the newest eye dust I've gotten from Medusa's Makeup. It's in Rising Sun, and I've got it really packed on there all over, and I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful for year round, beautiful single lid color, just lovely, and there was not a lot of fallout. It was very easy to use. I love these eye dusts from Medusa's Makeup. They are amazing, and the colors are always beautiful. So with that being said, let's dig into what came in my Petit Vour box, shall we? So here's the card. It's very cute. It's got little oranges on it. It's very adorable. Looks like we're getting 4 items this month. So here's the biggest one standing out to me already, and I already know I'm not going to use this. So this is from Meow Meow Tweet. It's their lavender deodorant cream, and I've already used Meow Meow Tweet's deodorant cream before, and I know it doesn't work for me, so I'm probably just going to pass this one completely unopened and undisturbed to a friend. But actually, I'll see if it fits in the giveaway box. The giveaway box is very full. If it fits in there, I'll throw it in there. If not, I'll give it to a friend, because that box is getting very full. And I will be doing, I decided when I was filming part of my vlog yesterday, so you'll see it in the vlog later on next week. But I decided I'm going to do the giveaway in the June empties video. So keep an eye. In about a month, we'll be doing that giveaway. So it's very exciting. So I'll see if it fits in there. If not, I'll give it to a friend. Already not excited about that. That is a $14 value. Baking soda and potent essential oils combat bacteria responsible for underarm odor, while nourishing plant oils and butters soothe and condition underarm skin. 2.4 ounces. $14. I don't know if I mentioned that at first. The packaging is great. I love the name of the brand, but I just know this one doesn't work for me. So it is what it is. Let's see, what else do we have hiding under here? Next we have from Studio Botanic the Gesicht cream. Looks like that's a lot of German. Is this in German? Yeah, a whole lot of German on the box. It must be a German company. And it's a face cream. So let's read about this. It's a $36 value for 50 milliliters. Nourish your skin day and night with antioxidants and regenerating botanicals to soothe an even complexion. So here's what that looks like, by the way. So you can see the box. Can I open it up easily? I don't want to rip the box. Okay, before I bother opening it, I'm going to read the ingredients and make sure it's something I want to keep, because I don't want to have to rip the box if I'm going to give it away. Okay, so there are a couple of things in here I don't want to put on my face, so I will end up giving this away. And I think same policy. If it fits in the box, it'll be in the giveaway. If not, I'm giving it to a friend. So it's kind of annoying that the most expensive product is one that I won't use, but it seems to be like the theme with a lot of these boxes. Next item is from Ellis Brooklyn, and it's the Fawn Eau de Parfum. It says this is a $2 value. I wouldn't assign a $2 value to a perfume sample like this personally. You get these free at the mall. Like, I don't like that this is even given a value. This should be an extra 5th freebie type thing, but that's just my opinion. And it says this is sun-warmed skin, a breeze of spring citrus, and addictive milky tones of coconut. Fawn is inspired by coming-of-age novels, how memorable and lingering they are, and the sweet innocence and underlying sexuality of growing up. 1 milliliter. So let's give it a smell. It's a very enticing description. Air it out a little. That actually smells really good. I get the coconut. What else did it say was in it? Bergamot, sun-warmed skin. What is the scent of sun-warmed skin? I don't know. I definitely get the coconut, but it's not like sunscreeny coconut. It's more like just fresh coconut. It's nice. What does sun-warmed skin smell like? Like rotting flesh? Like, what does that mean? That's such a strange description. But it does smell good. I'm definitely going to use the sample. I just wish this wasn't counted as one of the 4 products, being a teeny tiny perfume sample. And the last item we have today is the Harvest Natural Beauty Lengthening Organic Mascara. Here's the packaging. And let's read about this. This is a $19 value, so at least we're getting a nice expensive product that I know I'll use. And it says, thicken and lengthen each lash with this 100% natural and organic mascara infused with conditioning organics and vitamin E. This unique formula is smudge proof and water resistant. Perfect for summer. Very nice. Free from artificial colors and preservatives and fragrance, making it ideal for sensitive eyes. 7.5 milliliters. I'm going to go ahead and rip this box I want to open because I know I'm going to use this at some point. So let's take a look. So it is wrapped in plastic, so I'm not going to bother dealing with that, but it is just the standard black tube. And I actually have gone through a few mascaras recently. I've opened a new one. I think I only have 2 left in my stash of all the various ones that have come, so it's nice to rebuild my stash back up. But let's go ahead and talk about this box. There are only 2 items I'm going to use, and they total $21 versus these 2, which are $36 and $14. So what's that, $50? A little disappointed with this box, to be honest. It's not that great, in my opinion. Now, I will say I am biased here because I obviously, as I have mentioned multiple times before, have a very difficult time finding deodorants that are effective for me. So I realize this might be a great product for someone, but it just wasn't for me. But I do hate that we keep getting skincare products with stuff in them that's not really skincare. It's just very annoying, and I get that that's just the industry as a whole, even outside of vegan products, but it's just getting on my nerves today. I don't know. So this is not a great box for me. I'm gonna give it, like, it's barely passing just because I'm really excited to get a new mascara. So I'm gonna give it, what's passing, like a D? A D plus? Is that harsh? That might be harsh. We'll give it a C. A C minus, something like that. I'm just not, I don't love this box. This month was kind of a flop for me. The card's cute though. So that is everything I have to share with you guys about the newest Petit Vour box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, hit that subscribe button. Check out my Instagram, check out my reels and my weekly vlogs, and Amandaphenomenon.com. I have been putting more blog posts up recently. And also check out my Poshmark store if you're interested in getting something for the summer. I've got lots of cute skirts and shorts and things. But otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye.